Hey guys, today we gonna take a look at the Lua Mint bot and especially Mint bot function. This is official website of Lua Mint, so let's go and see what this bot can actually do. I chose one random project from Rarity Tools called Wizardland. Let's go to the official website of wizardland.io and go to the Mint page. It was connected to our wallet. Here we can see their total supply, mint status, and how much tokens you can mint per wallet. Okay, let's leave this page for now and come back to Lua Mint Web and download the app. It shouldn't take a long time. The app is being downloaded. Let's move it to the desktop. Extract files to the Lua Mint folder and open it. In this folder we can see data files and setup files. We need to choose the setup one. Press the next. Also you can choose the location there you want app to be installed and press next. Inhalation shouldn't take long time. Usually it takes 1 or 2 minutes. When the app is installed you can close this window. Now we can see Lua Mint shortcut and we can launch the app. In this panel we can see version name and choose which blockchain we want to use. We can choose from Ethereum, Solana, Near, Terra, and Polygon. Let's choose Ethereum because I want to mint NFT on Ethereum blockchain. Now we should wait while app is connecting to our wallet. When wallet will be detected and connected, main page of the app will be opened. This is the main page of Lua Mint bot. Here we can see our wallet address and the name of the wallet. Also on the top we can see the price of Ethereum, GUI price and our current balance. Beside that, we can see all the upcoming mints on the blockchain we have chose. It contains all the important information about the project, such as name of the project. We can go to all their social medias pages. We can see the price of the mint, total supply, and the time when the minted will be. Also, we can save it to our watch list if do not want to miss it later. There is all upcoming NFTs, so it would be easy and comfortable to use this app. Let's got to portfolio section. Here we can find what we have minted before, so at the moment nothing mint yet. Also in portfolio you can find watch list and there is the project which we saved before. Soon we will add wallet where you will be able to see all your NFTs from your wallet. Also, we have one of the best Snipe tools in Web3 space, but let's talk about it in the next video. So, today we gonna talk about the Mint bot. Let's go to the website of the project which we want to mint and copy its link. Be sure you are copying the mint page of the project. Then paste it to the search bar and press search button. Now we can see all collection information. Collection name Wizardland, total supply, how much is minted, price, and tokens per wallet. Also, you can go to their social media and see their preview picture. This is the mint information. So, this is the main section which we will be using for the mint. Tokens willing to buy. We can choose from 1 to 10, but I gonna choose 1 token for an example video. Way willing to pay. You can enter your value or you can choose best suggested option straight from Etherscan. I will choose the best option there to save some money on gas. And then, we can choose the rarity we are willing to mint. There is a common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary one. I'll choose rare because for the legendary one, it can take more time to be minted as the program reads it straight from the smart contract. And then we can press the mint button. Now we can see that mint has been started. Boom. It has been minted. We can see mint status information here. Mint was successful, token ID, the rarity, and we can copy the transaction hash number. Okay, let's actually see what we have minted. Let's go to the Opensea account. And go to our profile. We can see our wallet number, and here is our NFT from Wizardland NFT. Okay, let's open it. And this is our NFT we have minted, and all information about it. Wizardland NFT, owned by you, and the description. So, that's what Lua Mint can do. That's not everything. We're gonna take a look at the Snipe tool in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching. Enjoy Lua Mint. The link for the official website is in the description. See you next time.